So this is XAUUSD analysis for Friday, 28th of September. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price break below the 11.99, test the 11.99, pulse is somewhat lower high. We did see a subsequent sell-off breaking beyond the 11.90 and also that 11.85. We've had prices come down towards that 11.80. Didn't quite get down towards 11.42. Came with a couple of cents actually. Came all the way down towards that 11.80.64. So within a couple of pips of the 11.80.42, from which we do appear to be having a bit of bullish buy-side momentum coming into the market here on the XAUUSD. Previously we've tested the 11.85 from underneath, did see the sell-off back down towards 11.80 and a reducing push for another test of that 11.85. If it does hold as resistance, we're then looking for a move back down for a true test of 11.80.42. Successful break from which we'll be then looking for prices to head down towards possibly that 11. Then looking for price to head down towards that 11.70.63, beyond that 11.64.19 before we look at the 11.60 here on the XAUUSD. If, however, we can see a break and hold of that if we can see a break and hold of the 11.85 here on the XAUUSD, we can see a break and hold of 11.85, looking for a move towards 11.90, successful break from which we'll then looking to target that 11.99 with that confidence of a 200 or 400 period moving averages, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum come into the market from that level. If, however, well, I shouldn't say, however, I don't anticipate prices trading beyond the 11.99 here to the upside. I expect that to be the far end of range, and to the downside, if we were to see this continued sell side momentum, we're possibly looking at the far end of range being around that 11.60, which are our lows from 2018 so far. Here on the XAUUSD, I wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond that to the downside. And what we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart. So over here on the daily chart of the XAUUSD, we can see that we were in this trading range for quite some time now. On the XAUUSD, we've broken the range here to the downside, pretty strong close to yesterday's candle, closing near our lows. We've tested at 11.80. We've seen a brief bullish bounce at present. If we do fail from a daily chart point of view, we're looking for a move down towards that 11.60. Which were our lows here from mid to late August. From mid-August, we do have our lows for 2018 around at 11.60, and beyond that it's 11.43, I think it is, if I am correct. Yes, it would be a move down towards the very next level of note here to the downside. If we were to trade beyond that 11.60, to move down towards 11.43.44. Again, wouldn't anticipate that coming into focus today on the 28th of September. So we'll see if this 11.80 does hold. If we do hold it, again, possibly looking for a move back up towards 11.99 and back into the range. But if we do fail, then we're looking for, from a daily chart point of view, a move down towards that 11.60. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.